Question 8. Bethan builds a rectangular sheep pen. So part A, the perimeter fence of the sheep pen is 18 metres long. It costs her £1.10 for every 0.5 metres of fencing used to make the sheep pen. Calculate the cost of the fencing used to make the sheep pen. So that's part 1. So if we know that it's £1.10 for every 0.5 metres, that means it's going to be £2.20 for every 1 metre. If we need 18 of those, I need to times this by 18. So I'm going to do £2.20 times 18. Okay, we're going to do it as Napier's bones, because that's the way that I've shown you. So I draw my grid to help me. I've got £2.20 and I've got 18 down there. Remember, anything times 0 is 0. This is 2, that's 16. And then I've got a 2 and 16 again. So 0, 6, that adds up to 9, 3 and 0. So my decimal, I only have 1, so it goes all the way down and it comes in here. So it's actually going to be £39 and 60p. For part 2 of this question, it says the length of Bethan's sheep pen is 2 times its width. Find the length and width of the sheep pen. You must show your workings. So on this, I would use algebra, only because I've actually noticed the words up here form an equation, and I think it'll be helpful if we did one down here. So it says the length of Bethan's sheep pen is twice its width. So the width, let's say the width is equal to x meters. That means the length is 2 times that, so it's 2x meters. Okay, we know that the perimeter adds up to 18, and that's what we're going to use to help us. So perimeter is the 4 sides added together. So it's x plus x, that's our 2 widths, plus the 2 lengths, and it equals 18. So how many x have I got altogether? Well, 6 equals 18. To work out one of them now, I would divide each side by 6. So x equals 3 meters. So I know just x on its own is the width, so that's 3, and the length is 2 times, so it's 6. On part B now, it says Bethan decides to build a new sheep pen. The perimeter is 16, and it says the length of the new sheep pen is 3 meters longer than its width. So we've got to form an equation and solve it. That is basically what we've done down here. So we're going to use this to help us over here. So our width is still going to be x meters. The length this time, it says, is 3 meters longer. So it's x plus 3 meters. Okay, so the perimeter, we know that it's 16. So it's x plus x, there's 2 of them, and 2 of these. So x plus 3 plus x plus 3 equals 16. How many x's have I got? I've got 4, and I've got 2 3's, which is 6, so it equals 16. Now we've got to solve it. So we're going to balance, so remember whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. I'm going to get rid of the 6 first by taking away 6. So I'm left with 4x equals 10. And to get x on its own, I'm going to divide by 4. So I've got x equals, now I've got to do 10 divided by 4. To divide by 4, I just need to halve the number twice. So half of 10 is 5, half of 5 is 2.5. So the width is 2.5 meters. The length is 3 meters longer, so it's 5.5.